Take out the central column. Take out the connecting piece and install it into the slot of the upright column. The bottom of the connecting piece must be flush with the edge of the column. Tighten the screw. Take out the base plate and align it with the upright column. Secure with screws. Install the remaining columns using the same method. Take out the electrical box. Connect the motor wire, LED strip wire, and sync LED strip wire from the bottom of the column to the top. Install the connecting piece. Install the base plate. Tighten the screw. Take out the beam with a notch. The end of the beam with the notch must be on the side of the power box column. The beam is connected to the column via a metal slider. Tighten the screws on the beam with an Allen wrench. Install the other side of the beam. Better tighten the screws. Install the motorized beam. Install the remaining beams. Take out the light strip. Pass the connector through the hole in the sink. Lift the beam slightly. Press the light strip into the light groove. The light strip wraps around the sink in a full circle. Pass the light strip connector through the hole in the sink. Connect the motor wires. Connect the slate light wire. Connect the light strip cable to the sink. Tighten all the screws on the beams with an Allen wrench. Install the louvers. The end of the slat with a hook faces toward the motor side. Install the louver into the groove of the beam. Install illuminated blinds at the locations where light strip labels are affixed on the beams. Connect the blind's light strip connector. The motor louvers need to be assembled manually. Install the motor baffle into the motor slot. By pulling the zip ties and rotating the blinds, align the motor hole with the louver hole. Take out the screw. Insert the gasket and the round tube into the screw. Attach it to the motor. Cut the cable tie with scissors. Pull the cable tie out of the motor. Install the remaining blinds in sequence. Take out the linkage rod. The linkage rod is connected to the blade via a pin shaft. Place the gasket between the linkage rod and the louver. Take out the plug and insert it into the hole. Install the interlocking rod connecting component. Attach the screws. Install the gasket. The nut should be tightened just enough to compress the blue sealing ring. Remove the wire box cover and install it onto the beam. Drive 3 2-4 self-tapping screws into the grooves of each junction box cover. Install the top cover of the column. Tighten the screw. Install the intermediate top cover. Tighten the screw. Drill holes in the base plate of the column with an impact drill. Install the expansion screws and tighten them. Remove the decorative cover and install it on the pillar. Installation completed.